In this video, we will talk about النسبة. What is النسبة? النسبة means relation, and we will know what that means now. We usually use it to express nationalities, or one of the usage of النسبة is in nationalities. Let's see how to express nationalities in Arabic. For example, we have the country Al-Urdun, which is Jordan. Al-Urdun. Now, you probably noticing that Al-Urdun starts with Al. Okay? That's the first thing you need to notice. Al-Urdun starts with Al. So, to form a nisba in this case, what you have to do is you will drop the L in the beginning, and then you will add ya. Let's see how it goes. So Al-Urdun, see, we dropped the L and then we added ya to the end, which makes it Urduni. And that means masculine Jordanian, like he is Jordanian. Okay? Now, if you wanna say that she is Jordanian, you're just going to add the ta marbuta to the word Urduni. So, what we did here, we asked ourselves, what is the first letter here? And it's L. So, if the name of the country starts with an L, you are going to drop it, and then you are going to add ya, Urduniya for masculine and Urduniya for feminine. Now, the next rule is, for example, we have the country, we have America. You probably notice in Arabic that America ends with an alif. Okay? America ends with an alif. So in this case, what we will do is we will drop this alif in the end, and then we will add the I. Okay? So let's see. We have America, which is America, and we dropped the alif in the end, and we added Amerikei. We added the ya, so it's Amerikei. He is American, Amerikei. And for she is American, it's going to be Amerikiya. So we added the ta marbuta to make it feminine. The third rule is we have Syria, which is Syria. We notice that it ends with a ta marbuta. So what you will do, you will drop the ta marbuta in the end and add the I. Okay? So let's see. So we have Syria. We dropped the ta marbuta in the end, and we added Surey. We added the I sound. This is he is Syrian. Now, she is Syrian. We are just adding the ta marbuta to the masculine word. We are saying Suriya. So we have Surey, he is Syrian, and Suriya, she is Syrian. Now, the final rule is we have Qatar, which is Qatar. You know this country. Now, Qatar, you probably can notice that there is no L in the beginning, there is no alif in the end, there is no ta marbuta in the end. So if that's the case, what you will do here is you are just going to add the a, okay, which will make it Qatar, and his nationality is Qatari, so we will say Qatari. He is Qatari, and she is Qatariya. قطرية. Okay? These are the main rules. Let's recap. So you need to notice the following things to form النسبة. First of all, you have to check if the word starts with an L. If the word starts with an L, you will have to delete that L and then add the ya with a shadda to the end of the word. You also have to check if this word have an alif in the end. If the word ends with an alif, in this case you will have to delete this alif, this a, and add ya with a shadda in the end. You also will have to check if this word ends with a ta marbuta. If it does, you're gonna have to delete this ta marbuta and you will add the ya with a shadda. If you found a word that doesn't have any of those, doesn't have an L in the beginning, doesn't have an A in the end, doesn't have a ta marbuta in the end, then that means that you do not have to drop anything. You're gonna have to add the ya with the shadda to the end of this word.